valley and the warrior.
The storm approaches, bringing with it nature's raw power, a dance of light and fury that
Lights flicker once, twice, then go out.
No signal in this cabin. The wind is howling. What am I gonna do out here all alone?
The temperature is rapidly dropping inside this wooden cabin as the thermometer reads minus 18 degrees Celsius.
The snow-covered mountains hold a silent promise. Hunger hits hard in this remote cabin. A little bread and canned food will hopefully keep me going.
I can barely keep my eyes open, but I have to stay awake.
The sunrise over snow-covered mountains is a hopeful ending. The footprints are her past, but the mountains, her future.